Ooh, I'm pretty excited. This will be the next build. It's been sitting on my shelf, lurking for some time. You can see the dust. It's been in its box for quite a bit, and with the recent addition of the 240Z kit, I figured, okay, I'm going to get into this one. I've got two of these, and my logic is that I want to build one and I will know how it goes together. This is basically practice. And as I opened it, I'd forgotten that I had printed this stuff. All this cool black box goodies. Wide body kit. So I'm sorry, my phone on alert. I need to learn how to turn it off. Apologies. Anyways, I've got an unboxing for this kit on my channel. I'm not going to go through that whole process now. It's a really nice kit, and my thought was, oh man, I wonder how hard it would be to chop that open and put an engine in it. You know, it's got an engine bottom, but it'd be pretty sick to, you know, I don't know. You know how I think if you watch the channel at all. And then this stuff that I had printed quite a while ago. I had to do a couple test shots to get it to come out right. Again, I'll put links in the description of where you can get these files, these STL files from Black Box STL. Good stuff. This actually is not part of, this is a combination of a couple different ones. This is designed for the 370, I believe. It's a rear exhaust turbo setup that I put in here to see if I could figure out how to make it work. If I could make it to work on this car. Similar design. But that's kind of what I'm really doing, is just showing you what's coming up, what's next on the agenda, on the build. I'm gonna get into this bad boy. I don't know, it's kind of, I feel like I've kind of crossed a threshold where my building, I've gotten a little better. Here, give me a second where I gotta pat myself on the back here. Whap, 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 whap. To a point where, you know, yeah, sure, I'm still can be intimidated. Like that 240Z, the manual is like 20 something pages long. Oh my gosh. We're gonna go through it so that you can see it. And wow, that is, I don't know if the camera will show that, but that is a really thick manual. Oh my gosh. I don't, oof. Wow. Yeah. Okay. No, I'm not intimidated at all. Yeah, I am intimidated, but that doesn't mean I won't do it. I love a challenge, and I will try. I'll do my best. And you know, I've got a couple duplicates of kits. I've got some stuff that I've been sitting on the back burner waiting, and I can't help but feel like I think it's time. I'm gonna start building some of these other ones that I hate to use the word hoarding, but you know, or I will also hate to say that I have too many models, but you know, it's time to start building some of them. Oh yeah, everybody likes a Bernard. Pretty stoked. I'll put this thing together, see what it looks like. As far as direction, I'm kind of leaning towards, I'll see if I can find a link to the channel that I've watched a couple videos where there's a guy that has, it's not the 400, but he's building his own, it's lack of a better word, he calls it a cyberpunk. So, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if I can find some cool decals online, or if I want to paint it in some wild style. I don't know. But this is what's on the bench next. Pretty excited about it. Get this one done so that I can then build a stock one. Well, stock, but clean like that, ideally, to park next to the 240. That's the idea, the goal. So, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Again, Links in the description. Great stuff. Great resin supplier or file maker. He works with a couple of the other people out there that sell them on the eBays. I went and got a printer and started making them myself. That way I can hoard them. Oh, the money. Oh, the money is mine.
The money is mine. I have the money is mine.
The money is mine. That's it. Sorry. Thanks for watching.